What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Real quick, I'm going to show y'all how I make my garden eggs for breakfast. They so good and so simple to make. Right here, I have some freshly picked collards right out of my garden, and I have just a little bit of thinly sliced onion. Put this in the pan, and I'm going to put some water in here. All you need is about a half a cup of water. Now I'm going to put a teaspoon of olive oil. Let this boil for about 3 minutes. Alright, now you're going to need 2 eggs. But I've also done this recipe with just 1 egg. Beat them up. You see how the water is almost cooked off? It's almost cooked off, but you don't want to cook all of the water off. Just slide them over to the side. Slide the greens and the onions over to the side of the pan. And remember, you had that little bit of olive oil in there. And also leaving that little water in the bottom of the pan helps to keep it from sticking. Go ahead and put the eggs in. Alright, I'm going to add a couple of cherry tomatoes on the side. I don't want them to get mushy. I just want to warm them up a little bit. Season with just a little bit of adobo. That's all you need. This is how I like my garden eggs, y'all. Look at that. Everything is heated through. Let's get them on a plate. I'm going to top the eggs with just a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. Not a lot.